Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to give feedback on selected text in EazyDocs. With this feature, users can highlight text in a document and provide targeted feedback, making it easier to suggest edits, request clarification, or report issues precisely.
Users can give feedback directly on specific sections of the documentation.
To enable this feature, ensure that both EazyDocs and EazyDocs Pro are installed and active in your WordPress dashboard.
Then, navigate to EazyDocs Settings, click on Doc Single, find the Feedback on Selected Text option, and enable it.
You can also choose who can view the comments. To make comments visible to everyone, leave the field empty so all visitors can see them. You can also add predefined headings and option labels to customize the feedback form.
Finally, save your settings to activate and start using the feature.
Additionally, by navigating to EazyDocs, User Feedback, you can view the complete feedback history along with all feedback comments in one place.